Hey, what's going on? How you doing?
Hey man, how you been?
Good. You mind if I sit down?
Please go and have a seat, brother. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
What's been going on, man?
Yeah, I'm trying to get back into the gym myself. Trying to go at least 2, 3 times a week.
Cool. I was doing a little cardiovascular stuff, but now I'm really trying to just stay focused on biking, getting outside, exercising, taking care of my heart, those kinds of things.
Yeah, I find that walking works best for me. It's something I could easily commit to and something I could do almost every day.
Nice. Makes perfect sense. So you taking care of yourself good, man? It's been a while since I've seen you.
Yeah, I've been trying to stay healthy. I haven't been to the doctor in a while. I need to make an appointment.
Well, I had a couple of things going on recently, a couple of medical issues that I've had to deal with recently. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm representing correctly and just taking care of myself.
Yeah.
Yourself?
Yeah, not too many issues, but, a little bit of fear and mistrust regarding doctors and the healthcare system.
I hear you. And without doctor visits, illnesses can sometimes go undiagnosed. So it's kind of important that people look at trying to take care of themselves, get the kind of treatment and care that we need. It's funny because black men are more likely to delay getting treatment and diagnosis. But I just do want you to remember that our average life expectancy for black men is about 7 years shorter than it is for the general population. So it is important for us to take care of ourselves.
I get that, but sometimes it's even hard to even find a primary care doctor to commit to.
Well, I have a suggestion. CSB BeWell program is maybe a good place to start. Get a case manager with them to help you follow up on a few things. Might be helpful.
Yeah, I'll have to check that out.
Well, I'm glad you're thinking about that because your health matters to you. It matters to your family, to your friends, and to your community. But you know what? Most of all, it really should matter to us as men.
Absolutely.
So everything else good, man, in terms of like the weekend, you got things planned, going out, doing anything? Or?
Just trying to take some time off coming up soon. Maybe take a little trip.